Hi everyone! In this short video, one of our affiliated locksmiths is going to show you how he's coding a new Mazda key fob. This is how it's actually done on site in case you lost all your keys or just want to have a spare set. This is a necessary procedure that requires a special machine for all key fobs and transponder keys. Before we start, we would really appreciate if you can like this video, and of course if you need any help you can contact us 24/7 and we will connect you with a locksmith near you.
Hello everybody, we are working on a 2018 Mazda 3 hatchback. All keys are lost. As you can see, our programmer is plugged into the OBD, which is right under there. OBD means the port where our machines communicate with the vehicle. For Mazda, we have all lost key situations, so the vehicle due for the programming is requiring us to program 2 keys. So right now it's counting down. We have a 7-minute wait period for the computer to reset, and then we're going to add on these keys individually, and it should be a pretty quick transaction and we should be all done. I will resume when the programming is done with the machine, and then I'll show you how to program the keys. Thanks for watching. Okay, as you can see, we have 0 keys in the system, and we're going to program both fobs right now. So the ignition is on, we're going to turn it off, and it's going to ask us to put the logo of the key against the push to start button. So we're going to turn it on and put the key right there. Let the sensor pick up the key. Current number of keys is 1. Do you want to learn the next one? We're going to put yes. Turn the ignition off. Turn the ignition on, and we're going to put the new key here. Let it pick up at that. And that's it. We are all done. It's asking us to turn the ignition off and start the vehicle with each key by pressing it up against the push to start button. That's 1. And that's 2. And that's it. We are complete. That's how you program a Mazda, any kind of Mazda pretty much, with these types of keys. Thank you for watching.
That's it. I hope you like this video and would really appreciate if you can give us the thumbs up, and thanks a lot for watching.